Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. If you're new to the channel and you're enjoying, please like and subscribe. It helps support my channel and you're truly appreciated, y'all. Truly appreciated. Today we are making up some southern green beans. I got some bacon going here, thick cut bacon. Everything you need for these southern green beans, which is absolutely delicious, will be in the description box. But here in my pan, I have 4 thick cut slices of bacon. And we're just going to get this frying up just until it starts releasing that grease. Or the liquid gold, shall I say. All right. Okay. That is releasing some of its grease there. Getting a little bit brown. Now what I'm going to do, I have this on a medium heat. We're going to add in some onion. You can chop this big as little as you want. So we're going to let this go just until that bacon gets golden brown. Okay. Our bacon is nice and brown. Onions are lightly browned. So now I'm going to go in with some chopped garlic. Finely chopped garlic. Get it all in there. And you're just going to stir this around maybe 20 seconds. You don't want your garlic to burn. We're having ours today with some meatloaf and probably some good old mashed potatoes. Okay. Now everything else is pretty much going to go on its own here. I got a teaspoon of some smoky barbecue sauce, which I'm going to pour a little bit of my chicken broth to get all of that out of there. Just empty it all in there, because you want to get every bit of that out of there. That just balances the acidity, the acids and stuff from the tomatoes and stuff we're putting in here. Now you can use fresh green beans if you'd like. I'm using the bag frozen green beans. Here's some cumin. It's not overpowering. Trust me, it just blends and flavors these smoky flavored beans. They are absolutely delicious. And they are delicious with a barbecue side. Delicious. Some black pepper. And in here I have my diced tomatoes and tomato sauce. Now, for those of you who haven't tried green beans like this, I hope you try these. They really are delicious. They really are. It's a different way to, you know, make a green bean instead of the same old, same old. Now what I'm going to do is we'll bring this up to a boil. There goes my lid. And I'm going to add in my beans. I got a 1-pound bag of slightly defrosted green beans. We're going to put those in there. We're going to bring it to a boil. And we're going to let this hang out with the lid on for a good half hour. Just until some of that delicious broth cooks down and your beans get nice and soft. I usually let mine go probably 25 minutes to half hour. So I'll let this come to a boil. I'm going to get my lid on there and we'll be back with the final presentation. Okay, the last 10 minutes I'm going to remove my lid because I want the broth to cook down some. But if you like them brothy, leave your lid on. But there's still going to be plenty of broth on them. I just don't want that much because the flavor just gets deeper as you let that broth kind of simmer down there, evaporate. So remove that lid. Last 10 minutes or so. Okay, my friends, there are the beans. You see there how you still got plenty of, it almost becomes like a thin gravy. That's how you want them to cook down to. That's where all that flavor is at. You can see there all that bacon. These are the perfect side really to any meal, you know, that you want to have a vegetable with. Some of that bacon. Those are good. My husband just said, can I have a bowl of them? I told him, nope, you're waiting until dinner. I got to get my meatloaf finished up. But anyway, as I said, if you're new to the channel, boy, those are good. I'd like to have a piece of cornbread with that, Jesse. That would even be good, right? Oh, yeah. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new, please like and subscribe and share. Until next time, love one another, eat well, and we will see you all next week. And a happy, 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 blessed Father's Day to all of you daddies out there. Y'all be safe, stay well. Like I said, eat well, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye. Love y'all.